Good evening friends, today's date is 25th September 2021. Our today's video topic is methods in Java. Next we have to discuss about the methods. Methods are also known as the set of instructions and set of instructions like statements and the codes for executing logics with the logics are maintained in the methods. There are many two types of main methods, predefined methods and user defined methods, and one of the methods is also main methods in the programming. The main method is also most important methods in the Java. This method will run to all responsible to run the programs. Then we have to know about the predefined methods. Predefined methods is predefined methods are defined by the JVMs, by the libraries. For example, like add method, subtract methods, math methods, sorting methods, print methods, display methods. These are all the predefined methods. This means inbuilt methods are available. Then we have not to implement in these methods. And user defined methods, all the methods can be created by the users as per our requirements. Then there are six types in declarations. The method declarations and their structures and their 6 parts are most important in the method declaration. One is access modifier, means access modifier like public, static, void, main, public, static, public, private, protected, and default. This is the access modifier. Then there are return types in the methods. Like there are in data type also, and we have not returned anything. Then we have to declare the void. This is void, and we have to method name. Mention the method name like sum, add, as per the specific action of the methods. Then there are the methods with the methods means parameter list, like the parameters with the data type and the variables, and methods variables with the data types and the variables. Then how should we declare the methods? Public void sum and in bracket int a comma int b. This is the methods, and there are two curly braces. Then in this curly braces there are method body. This will be in this methods we have to give the instructions, some things, some performances of the codes and the statements of the codes. This will be executed, and this will be reusable in the program. Is how much time we have to call to this methods, it will be accessible and display. This will be possible in these methods. This will helpful for the users. So these are the methods, the headers, and then we have to know about the some access modifier into these methods: public, private, protected, and static. Public can be accessible within the all classes, and when we use this public access specifier it in our applications. The second one is private access modifier. We can access within the class only. Without outside the class we cannot be accessible. Means these methods can be accessible within the class only. And for example, we have to access outside the class, then we have to using the public also, protected, and default. Then third one is we can use the protected methods, protected access modifier. We can use the protected access file. The method is accessible within the same package and the sub packages in a different class package, subclasses in a different packages. The last one is default. When we have not declared any access modifier within the class, in this scenario we'll program the class can be, the method can be assuming the and accessible by using without the access modifier. This is also known as default access modifier. When we do not use any access modifier, this will be automatically declared. It will visible only within the same package only. Then there are return type also. We can take the data type also, and we have not to return anything. Then we have to declare the void data type. Then method name is also important, and the parameter as per the requirement of the program and the executions, and the method body is also compulsory. Then what is the predefined methods? This is also known as standard library for methods and built-in methods like length method, equal method, comparator, square, math, like this predefined methods. For example, we can take the one example of the class public class demo and public static void main string arguments, and we can take the sysout operations and the math.max in 9, 7, then which is the greater in this 9 or 7, then 9 will be print. Then we have to know about the user defined methods. User defined methods are be created. For example, we can declare the public static void and even or even odd, then integer num. In this bracket we can take the if condition and num mod to equal to 0, and if this will be this number will be even, then it can be count as a even, and if it is not even, then it will be an odd. Let's our today's topic is complete. Thank you very much.